Okay guys, and welcome back. So what we're going to look at in this one is opening a document in the full OneNote app. Okay, so you recall that I'm able to go here and go to Word like that. That's where I am. There we are, and then I'm able to pull up a Word document, for example. I can do that either from OneDrive or from here. I'm just going to have a quick look. So I edited my checklist here, so I'm just going to open that up now. There it is. Okay, and what happens here is this opens it up, as we discussed in the last video, online, okay, inside my web browser. Now, it might be that you decide that the functionality of Word at this level is not sufficient for your skills or actually for your work, and therefore you need to use the full online version. Now, you remember that we have actually downloaded the full online version, okay, from our in one of the previous exercises. We downloaded the whole of the Office suite, which should now be installed. If you've got to that point, you can see here that we have this option, open in desktop app. Okay, that means that Word will fire up. Let's see what happens. I have known this to be slightly temperamental. All done. You can now close this file and continue here. We try to open the computer, and there it is. I think that's it. Okay, so you can see it down the bottom. It didn't actually put it to the front, but can you see now that what I've got here is my checklist? But look at the difference here. Okay, this is full Word. This is the Word application as installed on my machine, not the online version. Okay, but I can do account type administrator, and all the time I'm looking at the top here, saving. Wait for it. You must wait until this says saved. Many students that I know have shut down their machine and not been patient enough to wait for saving. Look, it's taking a little bit of time, isn't it? And I'm just going to wait till that says saved, because I know then that it's saved it back to the cloud. There, it's saved. Okay, if you don't wait long enough and you're impatient, then that will be a problem for you. Okay, so the most important thing is to make sure that this has been saved. Okay, everything's fine then. I can close this down. Okay, so there we are. I'm just going to close that down. Okay, and I'm just going to close that down as well. Okay, and I'm going to close this, and then what I'm going to do is just head into this again. Let's have a quick look where we are. My device, and you see administrator is now synchronized into the cloud. Okay, so I've got my Word app on the desktop, and I've also got Word in the cloud. This is the Word in the cloud. I know that because I'm using my browser, but I've just demonstrated that I can open up Word and I can work on it, and actually I can go into the cloud here and I can open up Word from there. Okay, and then I can work on that and all will be well. Okay, so very important that you understand the differences of things that are going on. First of all, files that are stored on your computer, files that are stored in the cloud and that they're synchronized, and also which application you're using, whether you're using Word in the cloud or whether you're using Word that might be installed on your desktop. But all these items should synchronize with each other. Okay, but you do have to be careful and wait all the time for it to say saved.